Yo, what's happening? My Shaded Atua's we're back at it again. But oh, true, babe. Go seagull over there, just seagull over there.
Oh, yeah. You be my blood, yeah. Oh, you be my blood.
Yo, what's happening, my Shaded Atuas? We're back at it again with another Shaded Vlog, Shaded Adventures, and we are here, and
we're in Onyx, baby.
Yeah, baby. Where we at, honey?
Onarahi Beach.
At Onarahi Beach. Before I was rudely interrupted by old Steven Seagal over there, peep out this view right here. That's just, bruh, you just don't want to stop, huh? Not here, right? But this is why he's bugging. We just having some fish and chips, man. So before we were rudely interrupted by Steven Seagal and his buddies over there, you know, I just wanted to say, hope you all have had a beautiful last couple of weeks, staying beautiful, staying creative, staying in Atua, you know, born to manifest, born to create, feeding your wairua and not your ego. Because these last 2 weeks have been pretty big, man. It's been pretty big, eh, baby?
Yeah, it's been a good, massive 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Like, it's been a little bit hard.
It has been a little bit hard.
It's been a bit rough for everyone.
Especially whānau out there. There's a little more whānau out there that have been going through it rough, eh, baby, you know. But I just wanted to, not to cut you off, baby, sorry, but I just wanted to korero about when you find yourself in that moment, when you find yourself rough, my lady, like, just quit having it on me while I'm eating my kai, man. But what I wanted to elaborate on was when you find yourself in a situation where you feel like you're just stuck in a rut, or you feel you don't see any positive in it. Anyway, if you don't see any positive in the situation that you are and you feel it's really negative or stagnant, you know, what you do is you look deep within yourself, or you go to the bathroom and you look in that mirror. Because if you can't find any positive, look in that mirror and you are it. No cap, my atua, you are it. You're the positive, you know. Like, for instance, there's stuff that I've gone through, and I know watching Honey grow up, you know, I didn't feel like when I was going through it, I couldn't see any positive in it. But while she's growing up, I'm seeing her go through it, and I can help her because I've had experience in it. You know what I mean? Therefore, I become the positive. Yeah. Did you see that all unravel? Did you, honey? Did you hear that? Does that make sense? See what I'm saying? So if you can't find the positive in any situation, walk into the nearest bathroom or any place where there's any reflection. Pull out your phone, take a selfie. Look at the image that's there inside that selfie. Like, boom. We're the positive. Chat. We're the positive. You know, it's that simple. Oh, and well, people say it's easier said than done. You know, and could be true, but at the end of the day, you decide if that's true or not. You know what I'm saying? Is that right? Am I right? Am I making sense? Huh? Or am I making dollars, baby? Nah. Am I making sense?
Okay.
Oh my god, that's not what we wanted to hear, whānau. That's not what we wanted to hear. Anyway, honey, real quick, drop our atuas here for one quick drill.
God takes out people from your life because he heard conversations you didn't.
Oh. That was deep.
That's real.
That was real. Facts. Knuckle them up. See what I'm talking about, my tools? We're all Atua out here. Remind yourself. What about you, baby? What about you?
I didn't know if I can top that one.
That was tough.
Really
that was deep. She's out here just swaying like, yes, what's up?
Some little Joes. I think that if you're having a bad day, just go and stand outside.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what helps me anyway.
Yeah.
Honestly, look up. Always
Look up. Keep your head up. Even when times are hard and you feel fed up, keep your head up. Alright. Anyway, you know the kaupapa. Keep feeding your wairua.
Can't nobody stop me, so stay clear. Living in the spiritual warfare, yeah. Been selected among all my peers, cause up in